In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to a Google Calendar event. Adding attachments directly to your calendar events is a great way to keep everything organized in one place. Whether it's a meeting agenda, a presentation, a spreadsheet, or a form that people need to fill out, attaching it to the event means everyone invited can easily find it. First, open your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to use. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your week or month view with the days and times laid out. Next, choose the day and time when you want to schedule your event. Click directly on the time slot in the calendar. This will open a small pop-up window where you can quickly add an event title and basic details. For now, don't worry about filling in everything here, because we're going to open the full event editor. In that small pop-up, look for the option that says More Options and click on it. This expands the event into the full editing screen, where you have access to all the settings, including the ability to add attachments. Inside the full event editor, look for the Google Drive icon. It usually appears near the description area or under the attachment section. Click on this Google Drive icon to start attaching a file from your drive. This will open a new window showing your Google Drive files and folders. From here, navigate through your drive to find the specific document, form, or spreadsheet you want to attach. You can switch between different tabs in the window if needed, like recent files or shared files, to locate it more easily. Once you see the file you need, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, click on the Insert button. This will attach the file to your calendar event. You should now see the file listed under the Attachments section in the event editor. Keep in mind that anyone invited to the event will be able to open this file, as long as the sharing permissions in Google Drive allow it. Finally, fill out the rest of your event information. Add a clear event title, set the correct date and time, choose whether it repeats, add guests or attendees, and include a description if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save to finalize the event, and you're done.